Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and if your LinkedIn is having issues like profiles not loading or messages not sending or the app freezing, try these troubleshooting steps to resolve the problem. So, the first of all, you need to close and reopen LinkedIn. And let's go here, and here you go. If it still didn't work out, let's go to the settings, apps, search for LinkedIn, and go to app permissions. There is no permissions, so we add something that we should add to use some functions of LinkedIn. Allow, maybe phone, and here we go. Go back to LinkedIn, and if it didn't help you, you could go and reinstall the app. Let's go to Play Store, LinkedIn, uninstall and install. Let's go open it. And imagine you logged in, you already joined LinkedIn, you logged in, and it still doesn't work. So you can go check for server outages by going to Google and go to downdetector.com and look for the LinkedIn. Okay, don't worry, if you wouldn't have the LinkedIn in line, you can go to look for it. And here you go. Those are the last troubles with LinkedIn for last 24 hours. As you can see, the LinkedIn works properly, so there is no issues with the server outages. And if your LinkedIn still doesn't work properly, you can just restart your device or switch networks. Like this. So that's all. Thank you for watching. That was Hard Reset, and see ya in the next video.